Asuntoskeittiö Lahden Kaarikulma.
What's the address?
Pihtikatu 10.
Pihtikatu 10. Is that case B or?
Yes.
Yeah, here Liipola, Lahti, Finland. Amazing pop-up pictures. 69 Zebras H17281. Luckily it was not covered.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected the next year, 2024. I read this the main floor.
Yeah.
I've never seen the red button.
Yeah, exactly.
That's really rare.
Yeah.
And this lemon colored here
Yeah.
in the substitutes. If we can do it.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah. Inspected by Vice President, maintained by Kone.
There are renovations going on here.
Mm.
So, luckily they're still not replaced.
Yeah. But somebody's coming.
Oh.
It's
There's no information about the modernization or anything.
no, it's not going to be modernized in a few years, but
So it's still better to have it filmed now.
yeah.
It will be 55 years old in the next year, 2024. No, yeah, no. I love that red button.
Yes.
It's really interesting. Very rare.
That's